Grammarly is a writing assistant that identifies any error in your document, whether grammatical error or spelling error. It helps your writing skills. To get started, you have to download Grammarly from the web, but I have downloaded it. It will be showing anywhere you are allowed to type. You look at the bottom right corner of my screen, you will see where we have 10. It means it has identified 10 errors in this document. And you see another one beside it. Now let's get started. In this document, you can see some of the words that were underlined. Once you move your mouse on any of the words, it will flag it and a correction will pop out and just correct whatever you want to correct there. Administrator, I is missing between N, I, and S, so you can correct it. I said that recently I encountered a challenge. Yeah, a customer sent a document to me. Let's open the document. There's the document. Yeah, we have it. Oh God, see the document, no spacing. You can see there's no word spacing. It lacks word spacing. Now, what do? You start putting spaces one by one. That will take a lot of time. But Grammarly helped me to fix this. What I will just do, open this icon beside the number of errors you have in the document. Click on it. Once this opens, you can just select your document. Select the areas you want to correct. Look at this place, work with. It means what we have selected, that is what it will work with. So what do we want Grammarly to do with that? Okay, let us tell Grammarly something. The document last word spacing. Kindly fix. Kindly adjust that. Let's see the magic. Wow. You can see, oh, so nice. Okay, let's copy it. You can copy here. We have copy. Then we can replace it with what we have here. This is paste. Then you can just edit whatever you want to edit. You just do the adjustment. Wow, you can see this is great. Now, another thing is what the customer wants is that we counter this offer letter. The offer letter here states 900 million naira, but we want to counter it that we can afford 700 million naira. Say reply the document and date that we can offer 700 million naira. Okay, let's do that. Let's see what. Yeah, you can see what it helps us to write. You can just copy it and then you can paste it in your document. Then do the necessary adjustment. You go through it. At least this has helped you. It has really saved a lot of time. Just polish it up and you get what you want. Thank you. I hope you enjoy it.